Imagine you're looking through a spreadsheet and you spot an error, and you are about to send this file to your manager. So how can you make sure there are no other errors in the file? Let's imagine this is the spreadsheet we're talking about, and we find 4 instances of errors here on the Summary tab. Now what we'll do, we'll go to PerfectXL and open the ribbon. And here in the Risk Finder tool, we'll open the quick links. The first option you'll find is Excel errors, so let's click that. PerfectXL Risk Finder tool opens in an overview of Excel errors. And as you can see, it only found one on the Personnel tab, which is not the ones we found, because they were on the Summary tab. So below this overview of Excel errors, there's an overview of references to Excel errors. Now here are the instances we were looking for. So as it turns out, the errors we saw were actually just references to the original Excel error, and there's only one in this case. Now we can click this and see a screenshot of the exact location in our file. We can also click this and jump right to the location in the Excel file. Ta-da! So this reference error concerns a sum of cell D4, D5, D6 and an unknown cell. So we can check, for example, the cell beside it, where there's only 3 arguments in the sum. Looking at this, it looks like it's safe to just remove this 4th argument, as we don't know where it comes from and it's not consistent with the cell beside it. As you can see, we have resolved the error. Now let's go back to the Risk Finder tool. As you can see, all the errors have disappeared. And with it, the references to errors have disappeared. Now we can check this manually. Go back to the file and to the Summary tab, and voila, all the errors have disappeared. So now it's safe to send this file to your manager, and you can be sure there are no other errors in this file.